What's up, About Face Babes? It's your girl Judy Monroe, and you see it, we back with another one, another good sweet spa makeover. If you're new, we just getting started with the room. We basically just gutted off the floors, put down new flooring, repainted the walls, put down greenery, and added a few accent trails in. But I ain't going all into details, so you can go watch that on the previous videos if you want to see those. Today we're going to be putting up that table you see. And woo child, when I say pay for installation, because this was wearing your girl out, okay? This was really a journey, and it put us through the ropes, okay? I'm not used to all this building. I'm not Bob the Builder, and I'm not used to being his pile. So it took us a little time, but we finally got it together, and it was looking really good, and it complemented the room really nice as I wanted it to. I'm basically going to be using this for my lash supplies and my brow supplies on one side of the room. This is how it started off. As you can see, big improvement, big changes, big things coming up. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see how it turns out.